Soft gel soft ice cream machines are extremely easy to operate, dispense soft ice cream rapidly, and can be used with commercial ready-made products. Anyone can immediately start selling frozen desserts, which are both popular and highly profitable. Daily maintenance requires very little time. All the components can be completely disassembled without tools, and washing and sanitizing is extremely quick and easy. The Softgel 320 model is fitted with 2 refrigerated 7-litre capacity storage tanks, 2 gravity-fed cylinders, and 3 dispensing levers for 2 soft ice cream flavors and 1 mixed. The panels and components in contact with the ice cream and the mix are all made of stainless steel or other rust-free materials that guarantee the best hygiene and comply with the strictest health standards regarding materials in contact with food. The electronics controlling the various functions, mix temperature, product consistency and conservation, guarantee optimal operation and high immediate output, and better preserve the consistency of the ice cream during longer conservation time. The incorporated air facilitates an exceptional structure of the dispensed product. Both ice cream and yogurt are extraordinarily creamy. The soft ice cream machines are used to sell portions of ice cream, prepare and garnish sundaes and desserts and fill cups. The machine's efficiency and reliability are enhanced by its excellent production and dispensing capacity.